Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is general knowledge. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the name of the endearing cat sound that is caused by the vibration of the false vocal cords? Is it A, a purr, B, a ruff, C, a mule, or D, a meow? The answer is A, a purr.
Did you know that a cat's purr is not just a sign of contentment, but also a clever survival mechanism? The frequency of a cat's purr, which ranges from 25 to 150 Hz, has been found to promote healing and reduce stress in both cats and humans. So next time your feline friend starts purring, remember they're not only showing affection but also taking care of their own well-being.
Question 2. What is the basic unit of currency for Equatorial Guinea? Is it A, franc, B, peso, C, lira, or D, dollar? The answer is A, franc.
Equatorial Guinea, a small country located in Central Africa, uses the franc as its basic unit of currency. Interestingly, the franc is not unique to Equatorial Guinea, it is also used by several other countries around the world, including Switzerland and some former French colonies. So next time you're in Equatorial Guinea or Switzerland, make sure you have some francs handy.
Question 3. What color do you get when you mix yellow with red? Is it A, red, B, purple, C, blue, or D, orange? The answer is D, orange.
When you mix yellow with red, you get the vibrant and energetic color known as orange. Interestingly, the word orange comes from the Sanskrit word naranga, which means orange tree. So next time you see an orange fruit or a beautiful sunset, remember its colorful linguistic roots.
Question 4. In 1968, which British coin was introduced to replace the 10 shilling note? Is it A, 2 pounds, B, 15 pence, C, 50 pence, or D, 20 pence? The answer is C, 50 pence.
The introduction of the 50 pence coin in 1968 to replace the 10 shilling note brought about an interesting change. The new coin was 7-sided, making it easily distinguishable from other coins. This unique shape earned it the nickname the heptagon among collectors and enthusiasts, adding a touch of geometric charm to our currency.
Question 5. How old was James Dean when he died? Is it A, 30, B, 20, C, 24, or D, 27? The answer is C, 24.
James Dean was just 24 years old when he tragically died in a car accident on September 30, 1955. Despite his short life, Dean left an indelible mark on Hollywood with his iconic roles in films like Rebel Without a Cause and East of Eden, making him forever etched in the annals of cinema history.
Question 6. Which reindeer isn't mentioned in the poem The Night Before Christmas? Is it A, Donner, B, Blitzen, C, Dancer, or D, Rudolph? The answer is D, Rudolph.
Contrary to popular belief, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is not mentioned in the classic poem The Night Before Christmas. This beloved reindeer with his shiny nose was actually created by Robert L. May in 1939 for a promotional booklet for Montgomery Ward department stores.
Question 7. Which word is defined as hand of cards containing no card above a 9? Is it A. Octothorpe, B. Yarborough, C. Grommet, or D. Pauciloquent? The answer is B. Yarborough.
In the world of card games, a Yarborough is a hand of cards that contains no card above a 9. This term originated from the British nobleman, Charles Anderson Worsley Pelham, who was known as the second Earl of Yarborough. Legend has it that he once bet 1,000 to 1 against anyone being dealt such a hand.
Question 8. What does DMZ stand for? Is it A. Decompression minimum zone, B. Definite multivariate zone, C. Deregulated monetary zone, or D. Demilitarized zone? The answer is D. Demilitarized zone.
The term DMZ stands for Demilitarized Zone, which refers to a buffer area between two nations where military activity is prohibited. Interestingly, one of the most famous DMZs is the one dividing North and South Korea, which has become a unique ecosystem with endangered species like Siberian tigers and red-crowned cranes thriving in its absence of human interference.
Question 9. Which term meaning to rigidly categorize comes from small desk compartments? Is it A. Crowstuff, B. Owl nook, C. Dovetail, or D. Pigeonhole? The answer is D. Pigeonhole.
Pigeonhole, meaning to rigidly categorize, originates from small desk compartments used to store messages and documents. These compartments were called pigeonholes because they resembled the nesting spaces used by pigeons. So, the next time you feel like someone is pigeonholing you, remember it all started with those clever birds.
And with that, we bid adieu to our general knowledge journey. May your brain forever be filled with random facts and trivia tidbits. Until next time, stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.